Question 1. A student puts some human cheek cells on a slide and adds a few drops of a blue liquid. He then uses a light microscope to view and draw one cheek cell. We can see figure 1 there, which is drawn, showing the plasma membrane and the nucleus and the cytoplasm. For part A, why does the student need to add blue liquid to the cell? Tick one box. Making sure we're only using one box. Let's have a look at the three answers. Cheek cells are virtually transparent. To kill any bacteria they may be present. To stop the cheek cells moving. Now, out of those, the most likely use of a blue liquid as a stain is to make sure we can actually visualize the cheek cell. As cheek cells are virtually transparent, we need that blue liquid to act as a stain. So ticking that answer awards us the 1 mark available. For part B, a cheek cell is actually 0.03 millimeters in diameter. B part 1, what is the diameter in micrometers? So it's very important that we're confident in interconverting units in biology. So how do we go from millimeters to micrometers? Well, we multiply the answer by 1,000. So we need to do 0.03. So 0.03 times 1,000. And that gives us an answer of 30. So therefore, diameter in micrometers is 30 micrometers. We can write the micrometer symbol like that. The key with these sort of questions is to make sure we check our answer, obviously check our calculation, and also think to ourselves, does it seem right? A common misconception could be to actually divide the millimeters by 1,000. Clearly that's going to give you a very small number. The micrometers number has to be bigger than the millimeters number, so that will be a way of showing us that our answer was incorrect. For part 2, we're asked to calculate the magnification of the student's drawing, and we're given the magnification equation there. The magnification equals size of image divided by size of real object. So we need to apply that equation. So first of all, we think to ourselves, okay, what is the size of the image? So we'd measure that and it would come out as 20 millimeters. We'd then divide that by the size of the real object. We're told in the question that the size of the real object is 0.03. Can you see how I'm using millimeters as the units of both those numbers? It's very, very important we use consistent units. So we do 20 divided by 0.03, which gives us 667 as an answer rounded to no decimal places. So that answer of 667 scores the mark there. The magnification is 667. In terms of where the first mark came from in that question, there is also a method mark, so just writing that method down will get you 1 mark, and as we say, the answer scores the 2nd mark.